I will show you the how to keep your favorite applications under the favorite application. We had to select the applications from the all application and put it here in this list, and to do that we have a service setting here. Click on this and there is option applications. In this we have to go click edit. So on the left hand side you can see the applications under all applications, and you can add, for example, renal analysis, you can add thyroid uptake, then salivary, you can add Q liver, Q brain, for example diet scan. Then Q volumetrics AI for the bone processing.
Cardiac processing.
Yes. Memory toolbox, and then EF analysis, okay, then click OK. Now you can see all these applications on the first screen itself. So for example, mobile scan processing, you can select the mobile study, okay, and click on the EF analysis.